This is the part 2 video of traditional toys making. So go and watch our part 1 video first and be a part of our art gallery. Send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. Don't skip, watch the full video.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Durga Puja কিন্তু চলেই এলো. Durga Puja is coming. Did you do the shopping? I am very soon going to do the shopping. দারুণ মজা, I am very excited. Are you not? তোমরা excited না? Durga Puja তো চলেই আসলো. So go and complete your shopping. Other will be nothing will be left for you. Go and see the crowd. Okay, and look. What is this? This is outdoor watercolor. Outdoor watercolor means I have gone outside and I have drawn the real scene. Okay? আমি বাইরে গেছি একদম আউটডোরে গিয়ে একদম রিয়েল সিন দেখে ওটাকে এঁকেছি. So if you want to learn the watercolor, comment me. I will make a tutorial on that also. And you will be happy to listen. I have come with a part 2 video of traditional toys making. And the main thing is this time traditional toys making I have done with our Durga. So go and watch. And why you are not subscribing? What is the problem? Please subscribe. Subscribe our channel. It is your channel. It is your platform. You know Doremi is the platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Tada! Watch the video and subscribe.
Let's start our video part 2. Please go and watch our part 1 video, otherwise you cannot understand the part 2 video. Here we are learning the eyes. Already we have learned how to draw the figures and foldings in our part 1 video. So part 1 video is very important. Until and unless you are watching our part 1 video, this video will not be helpful for you. How I have drawn the eyes and lips. Now the part I am giving cross line, this part there will be no drawing. Now the hair and earrings. Look, the part we crossed, that part we will color as a background. You can make any other color also for the background, but the green, red, yellow are the traditional color that is generally used for making this traditional toys. So I didn't make any change of it. You can see how I'm coloring. After completing the color, I will use the sketch pen to draw the border of our traditional toys. Then we have to paste it on another A4 size of paper in portrait format and put the gum in right place, that is going to be fixed with our new paper. So look, our traditional toys making is a finish and it is going so interesting. Okay, now I am using my final fixing. Now it is done. You can see from every view. Okay, when you are pasting, paste it very nicely. Be careful on the form. And look, it was looking so bright and fantastic. Now see our Durga making in traditional toys style. So we have to take a paper in portrait format and you have to fold it the paper. Now you will get two part A and B. Again we have to make it half, and right and left part we have to fold this. So I have colored it gray. Now I am starting my drawing. Look how I have segregated the portion for drawing different character. This is the lion. Look, leg, face. Now main part, that is our Durga face. How simply I am drawing. that you everybody can do. Look the detailing. And be very careful. You can see the folding line in the middle that will help you to draw a symmetric form of Durga. Can you see both the side right and left of the line? The drawing should be same, equal. So you can see both the sides of the line I am doing simultaneously, so that I can maintain the symmetry. Now holding the Trishul, intentionally I have shown it in red color that you can understand. Now let's start coloring. Then you can figure out the drawing very nicely. Look, brown, black, yellow, light yellow, different colors are used. That looks very bright in our painting. As our lion and Durga both are in yellow shades, so for Trishul I have colored reddish. And don't forget to color the eyes red. In a round I am doing other colors. Okay, and very interesting part, I have colored the Durga's ornaments and dress only using lines. I didn't cover the white space. You will better understand when I will show the coloring in manually. We have to paste our drawing in another A4 sheet paper in portrait format, and on that we will draw Durga's other hands. In this drawing, be careful about the symmetry. We are maintaining that symmetry for hand also. Don't skip. Now see in manually. Look, I have taken the paper, how I have folded. Okay, you can see here I have drawn the lion and all the part. Now Durga's face. I show that in digitally, where you could be able to understand in digitally and manually in both the ways. First I have drawn with the pencil, now I am using sketch pen. You also do same thing. Look, for background I am just giving line. Drawing is done, and look very carefully how I draw the hand. So you have to take your paper in folding and draw the line with much pressure. When you open the paper, you can trace the line. This way you can draw a symmetric hand for both the sides. Look, I have drawn in out of folding, and I have give much pressure that I can trace the drawing inside after folding the paper. And our Durga will be pasted in the middle. Now how I am drawing the hand, very simply. Just in box pattern I have drawn all the hands. So look, same way I am coloring, but in manually. Here you can see my brush. You can use pastel color also, pencil color also. Look, body is yellow color, so hand is also yellow color. For Durga's body I used lemon yellow, but for lions I have used gamboge and red, and for buffalo's nose I have used red and little bit yellow. So almost yellow shades are there. Now our Tirshul is red color. For coloring the buffalo I have taken black color and mixed with red, so it is neither looking brown not looking black. It's the shades I am using, but the horn I have colored jet black. Now interesting part, all the ornaments I am using sketch pen only in casual manner, just giving line. Just using some line, different color, mostly green, purple and blue. So our traditional toys making Durga was looking very creative in itself. Now I'm going to paste this, and in the hand all these things are there, snakes you can see, lotus, weapons. So color it with sketch pen. Now paste the gum and fix it. Now see and comment me how much did you like this traditional toys making Durga. If you like our video, please subscribe, press the notification bell and choose all option like, comment, share. Thank you.